Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I personally consider the best car battery charger smart automatic on the market, the NOCO GENIUS5. If you've been searching for a reliable, powerful, and intelligent battery charger, stick around. This compact beast is designed to handle all your battery maintenance needs, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it's become a standout choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Let's kick things off by talking about design. The GENIUS5 is sleek, compact, and rugged. It's 34% smaller than its predecessor, the G3500, but delivers over 65% more power. This means you get high performance without taking up space in your garage, glove box, or toolkit. It feels solid in hand, yet portable and user-friendly. Now, let's talk capability. The NOCO GENIUS5 is an all-in-one battery solution. It functions as a battery charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. It works with both 6-volt and 12-volt systems, and supports a wide range of batteries including lead-acid, AGM, gel, SLA, VRLA, and lithium-ion, specifically LiFePO4. That means whether you're maintaining a car, motorcycle, ATV, boat, or even a lawnmower, this charger's got you covered. One of the most impressive features of the GENIUS5 is its precision charging. It uses an integrated thermal sensor to monitor ambient temperature and adjusts the charge accordingly. That ensures your battery never gets overcharged in hot weather or undercharged in cold climates. It's a level of charging intelligence that really sets this device apart. Now if you're dealing with a dead battery, this device shines again. It can charge batteries as low as 1 volt, and if your battery is completely drained, you can activate force mode to manually begin charging from 0 volts. That's incredibly useful for recovering neglected or deeply discharged batteries that other chargers might just ignore. Safety is another area where the GENIUS5 goes all out. Overcharge protection is built in, and because it constantly monitors the battery's state, you can leave it connected indefinitely for maintenance charging without any worries. It's truly set and forget. Another brilliant feature is its ability to restore battery health. The GENIUS5 uses high-frequency pulse charging to reverse battery sulfation and acid stratification, both of which are common causes of poor battery performance and shortened lifespan. So it's not just maintaining your battery, it's actively improving it. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the 5-amp charger, a 72-inch AC cable, an 80-inch DC cable with battery clamps, integrated eyelet terminals, a mounting bracket, and screws. Everything feels premium and well built. NOCO even throws in a 3-year warranty, and it's all proudly designed in the USA. Let's not forget the output specs. You're getting 75 watts of power and support for batteries up to 120 amp hours. It's ideal for both regular maintenance and full-on charging tasks. In summary, the NOCO GENIUS5 delivers power, versatility, and intelligence in a small package. It's ideal for anyone serious about battery care, from weekend riders to full-time mechanics. With precision thermal compensation, advanced battery recovery, and support for almost every battery type out there, this is more than just a charger. It's a battery life extender. If you want to stop worrying about dead batteries and start maintaining them the smart way, the NOCO GENIUS5 is the product to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. See you in the next one.